Hey guys, welcome back. I tell you what, it's been a busy last few days and I didn't get to do my planned cooks, so I got to get a video for you, and I happen to be doing a grilled chicken salad tonight out here on the gasser, grilling off the chicken, and I just thought I'd bring you along, show you how I do the chicken on that, and I'll show you a nice little, hopefully pretty salad at the end. So guys, let's get going. Okay, we keep these pretty simple around here. They generally go pretty quick, so more grill time than anything. So this got some Montreal chicken I'm gonna use on these 3 boneless chicken breasts. And that's all we're gonna season them with. I call it grilling. I'm almost kind of baking these. I'll show you the setup once I get outside. These guys flip. And repeat. It's not pouring as good as it usually does. Alright guys, once that comes up to temp, we'll put them on the grill. Okay, you can see I got, this is a 5-burner stove with an extra broil plate over here. I got 2 burners completely off. I got 3 on. I got them turned down to medium. I got a pan. This is hickory wood I got. I'm not gonna grill these necessarily. I'm gonna come up here on the top grate and just let them go indirect, and that's how we're gonna cook the whole time. Got some hickory wood in there. We're gonna get some smoke on these too, guys. We'll come back and check on these in just a little bit. I'm actually gonna try to drop my temperature down some. Not that hickory, tell you what, that'll be some nice little smoke in there. Well, I tell you what, we got some smoke rolling in here, boys. We've been about 10 minutes or so. I'm gonna come out and give these guys a flip just for some even cooking. I hope the lighting's good here. It's that time of the day where the sun's kind of in a bad spot for me. Alright guys, come back out. We'll check it again in about 10 minutes. I expect this to be about a 30-minute or so cook. Look at that smoke going. That's hickory, guys. It'll get a good flavor right over top of that chicken. We've been about another 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and give these guys another flip. Love the color that's getting on there. My wood is about spent, but that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and get some temps on these. Well, I think we're close. I bet we're not quite there. Going for 165. Internal, got 147. 155, and that's very hot. We're very close, guys. 145. We're very close. Next time you see me, we'll be pulling this off. 63, 64, 65. We're good. 165. Things over. 170. Still good. 164 and 5. We got this, guys. I'm gonna pull these and go inside, get Mama fed, and I'll come back and make the salad for you guys. Okay, I'm not known for making pretty salads. I make a tasty salad. This is some romaine hearts that I chopped up. I'm gonna try to step up my game. We'll see how this goes. Just got some cut carrots here. These are some little grape tomatoes we had on hand. Throw a few of them bad boys in there. Found some cucumber in the fridge. Got some seasoned croutons straight from a bag. Don't need a lot. They're tasty along with that chicken. Now for the main course here. Look at this beautiful chicken breast. Got that seasoning on there. Cut it right down the middle. Cut this up in some chunks. See if I can do this in one shot. I don't go for pretty, you know that. Right there. Almost got it. Let's get this out of the way here. Almost forgot my cheese. Let's get a little cheese on here. Just a little, it's just some 4 cheese, Mexican cheese. That happens to be what we have on hand. Looking good, huh? Look at that. And guys, I just got some classic ranch fat-free dressing. That's how we're gonna top this bad boy. Like so. Let's get a bite of this, guys. Alright guys, did I mention it was really hot? I had to come in and get a piece of that chicken. See if I can't get a little piece of lettuce or something else in there. You know it's good. Super tasty, as always. This isn't an ungodly bad meal. Trying to lose a few. I've lost a few. I know it ain't showing yet, but we're slowly going in the right direction, guys. It is hot. It is hot, hot outside. So guys, thank you so much. This was kind of, I had a busy weekend. Family graduations going on, family birthdays, and this is Monday night. Normally I'd cook on the weekends. Didn't happen. Thought I'd bring you along with how I do my grilled chicken salad. Thank you as always, guys, and I will see you on the next video. God bless you, folks. Bye-bye.